I have to leave the house because people need to see me in this hair. They need to see me in this hair. Hi guys, what's up? It's your girl 𝗣𝗍 here, and I have this wig. I'm going to show you how to make yourself look this slayed and this lovely and this luscious. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please make sure you click the subscribe button and make sure you click the bell as well so you're notified of my new videos. And also you give this video a like if you like it. And yeah, so all the information on this here is going to be down below, but basically it's from MyFirstWig and it is the Jamie wig. So I got it in the color 1B because I wanted it to look really natural, and I got it in 12 inches. So this is where 12 inches reaches on me. So if your head is like the same length as my own, and 12 inch will do you well. So this is pretty much exactly what I wanted. Like, what? Are you serious? This was really easy. I didn't cut any baby hairs. I didn't bleach any knots. I didn't, you know, any of those things. Make sure you comment down below if you like this hair, what you think about it, because I really like it. And I feel like, you know, if you want a bob, if you want to try a bob and you're a beginner, you don't want to, you know, do anything too extra, you want it to look really natural, this probably is the wig for you. You know what I'm saying? I have a wedding tonight, so I'm probably gonna wear this to the wedding because, you know, like, what's up? So this is what came in the box. MyFirstWig is a sister wig of RPG Show. It comes with a lot of beginner stuff. So it comes with a wig cap, elastic band, a rat tail comb, some clips so you can use that to, you know, put the hair where it needs to go, and a little bit of an instruction manual so you know just what to do. And it comes with this pouch, which I am going to be using for, you know, my life necessities. So when I bought the wig out of the bag, I put it on my head and I just wanted to make sure that I liked it. I want to make sure it was, you know, doing what I wanted it to do. Okay, I was just playing with it, and then I cut the lace. Just make sure you cut it right at the hairline so it looks pretty natural. So like I cut it literally right at the hairline, like right there. So yeah, make sure you cut it at the hairline. And then this is the part that I feel like makes the hair look really natural without having to glue it on, sew it on, any of that stuff. Basically I put the elastic band and I put it on the ear tabs right at the tips so that it would stay really flat. And so I measured my head where I thought the ear tabs would be, and I even stretched out the elastic band a little bit so that it would be even tighter, just a little bit tighter. You don't want to make it too tight because, trust me, I'll give you a headache and you don't want that. I just put it back on my head and I started adjusting it, and this is when I now curled it, or I guess straightened it to my liking. I grabbed my, can you imagine? I put this on top of plastic. Why? And it's still on. Just anyway, I grabbed my flat iron and I started flat ironing it. And this is where, if you wanted to have this little bump that I have right here, this is where you straighten it pretty much till the end, and then you curve it a little bit. You don't want to curve it too much so it does that up thing that we used to do back in the day. Just don't do that. Just make sure you know, as you're going, you do a little bit of a tilt so that it makes the ends go like this and make it look so nice. You know what? Oh my, you guys, oh my god, I don't know how to act. Okay, so then after I straightened it, and then I was like, okay, you gotta make sure this place looks natural. So I grabbed my foundation because I wanted it to match my the shade of my face, and I just started going through and made myself a little part. I didn't pluck anything out, I didn't do any of that. I just makeup right there. As you can see, it's so soft, so luscious, so beautiful. Like, I'm not even joking. As I'm moving this hair like this now, nothing. Like, are you serious? And I like that it's short like this because obviously it's getting hotter pretty much everywhere now. So, you know, you don't want it obviously too long all over your neck, everywhere. This one, just the right length for you to be great. That is pretty much how I made this wig look like this. So simple. I didn't do, there was actually only like maybe 3 or 4 steps, and it turned out like this. Like I said, all the information is gonna be down below. This hair is from MyFirstWig. It's called Jamie. This 12 inches. So if you want to get this, this is how you get to get it. Be like a baby girl. Be like a baby girl. Alright, well, I'll see you guys in my next video. Make sure you subscribe if you're not already, and give this video a like. Okay, bye. Yes.
This is a journey into sound.